Good morning, children. Today we'll discuss sentences. Children, sentences. Very important topic in English grammar. What is sentence? What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Children, what is sentence means? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Children, from lower classes onwards, you learned sentences. In lower classes, your teacher taught sentence means a group of words that makes complete sense. That is enough in that class. But when you go to higher classes, you will learn more about sentences. You will learn the meaning of sentence in a broad way. Yes, what is sentence? Simply, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense is not sufficient to understand the concept of sentence. Before learning the sentences, you have to learn what is subject, what is predicate, what is phrase, what is clause. These are all you will learn in this video. Listen carefully. Now, once again, what is sentence? In addition to the meaning of sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, it contains subject and predicate. It contains subject and predicate. Then what is subject? We will learn. And sentence starts with capital letter. A sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark or exclamatory symbol. For example, see this. Birds fly in the air. See, children, can we claim this is sentence? Birds fly in the air. See now, it contains subject and predicate. What is subject? We'll see. Each sentence contains mainly two parts. See here. Birds fly in the air. This is two parts. Whenever we make sentence, we name some person or thing, and that person or thing is called the subject. Here, no person, birds. So, birds is the subject. Birds is the subject. This is the subject of this sentence. The subject of this sentence. In that sentence, we use some words to say something about the subject. Say something about the subject. Such group of words which are used to say something about the subject, this called predicate. This is called predicate. Now once again, what is subject, children? Subject means what we are going to say, what we are going to talk. But subject may be a single word or sometimes group of words. Subject means not only a single word, but in this sentence, birds is the only word. So it is subject. In this sentence, we are discussing birds. The topic is birds. What we are going to talk? We are going to talk about birds. So, birds is subject. Then what happened to these birds? Say anything about the subject is called predicate. predicate. The group of words which gives something meaning to the subject is called predicate. Children, this is predicate. Predicate must contain verb. See here, birds fly in the air. Birds fly in the air. See in this, what is verb? Fly. So predicate must contain verb. See, one more. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. See here, what is subject here? What we are going to talk here? Very good. The earth. We are going to talk about the earth. So earth is subject. Revolves around the sun is called predicate. These group of words say about the earth. This is called predicate. Earlier I told predicate must contain verb. Is there verb or not? Yes. Revolves is the verb. So, for example, birds fly. Is it sentence or not? Tell me. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Yes, it is correct. Birds fly is a meaningful sentence and starts with capital letter, ends with full stop, and it contains subject. Yes. What is the subject here? Birds. The remaining part is called predicate. Birds fly. This is predicate. Predicate means not only group of words. Predicate means say something about the subject is called predicate. Yes, fly. Birds fly. And predicate must contain verb. Yes, fly is a verb. By this we can understand that if predicate is a single word, it must be a verb. It must be a verb. According to rule, predicate must contain verb. If the predicate is a single word, it must be a verb. Yes, birds fly. It is a sentence. He eats fish. He eats fish. What is the subject here? He. We are talking about he. This is called subject. Eats fish. Predicate. Predicate must contain verb. Yes, eats is the verb. Okay, children. Now understand what is subject, what is predicate. Once again, subject is what we are going to talk. Subject means what we are going to talk is called subject. This is a group of words or a single word. Understand? For example, here, he stood up to see better. He stood up to see better. What is the subject here? He. The remaining part is called predicate. Now, we'll learn phrase and class. Phrase and class. What is phrase? What is class? Is very important to learn sentences. What is phrase? What is class also? Very important, children. See here. Phrase means, for example, see here. He stood up to see better. In this sentence, to see better is a group of words. To see better is a group of words. It makes sense, but not complete sense. It makes sense, but not complete sense. It does not contain its own subject. It does not contain its own subject and predicate. So, such group of words which do not contain any subject and predicate of its own called the phrase. The phrase to see the better is phrase. Phrase. See here. In the corner. Here we can understand, which gives sense, but not complete sense. What is in the corner? What happened in the corner? There is no answer. It's a group of words which give sense, but not complete sense. This kind of words called phrase. See, there would be no subject. There would be no predicate. Like here, he stood up. This is subject. The remaining part is predicate. Predicate must contain verb. But here, there would be no subject. There would be no predicate. This kind of words, we call them as phrases. What we call as phrases. See one more sentence here. He stood up so that he could see better. This is full sentence. He stood up, comma, so that he could see better. He stood up. There are two parts in this sentence. He stood up so that he could see better. He could see better. See here. He stood up. This is called class. Why it is called class? Class is a group of words. Class is a group of words, or class is a part of sentence. Class is part of sentence, not sentence. Class is the part of sentence, though it contains subject and predicate. Though it contains subject and predicate. Because he stood up, it does not end with full stop. According to sentence rule, it ends with full stop or question mark or exclamatory symbol. Question mark or exclamatory. Here, he stood up. There would be no exclamatory mark. There would be no full stop. There would be no question mark. So, because of that reason, we cannot claim this is sentence, though it starts with capital letter, though it gives full meaning. So, this kind of words, this kind of group of words called clauses. What is clause? Clause is a part of sentence. Clause is a part of sentence which contains subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. See here, second part of the sentence. So that he could see better. This is also one more clause. It is not a sentence because sentence starts with capital letter. This is not capital letter, though it ends with full stop. Because of this reason, it is also not sentence. It is a part of sentence. It is also clause because it contains subject and remaining part predicate. It contains subject, remaining part predicate. Though it contains subject and predicate, because of not starts with capital letter, this is also, we can't say that sentence, but we can say that it is a clause. Children understand? Clause. Okay. For example, Rama has a chain. Rama has a chain which is made of gold. It is a sentence because all the properties, all the characteristics required for the sentence is fulfilled in this part. Rama, we are going to talk about Rama. It is a subject. The remaining part is called predicate. But if we see clearly, there are two parts. Rama has a chain is a clause which is made of gold clause. Okay, children? We'll continue in another video in details of types of clauses. Okay, children? Until then, bye-bye. In this video, you will learn about subject, predicate, phrase and clause. Go through video again. Learn well. Okay, children? Bye.